If Photoshop is showing an unknown error, especially when you're trying to open a file or export your work, don't worry. This is a common issue, and there are a few fast fixes that usually solve it. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to get Photoshop working again, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're just starting out. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, let's talk about why this happens. Photoshop unknown errors are often caused by corrupt preferences, graphics card conflicts, scratch disk problems, or file size limitations, so the goal is to remove the most likely cause one step at a time. Start by checking your graphics driver. Outdated GPU drivers can create conflicts with Photoshop, especially during rendering, opening large files, or exporting. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your system. Once installed, restart your computer and try Photoshop again. Next, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, and click Performance. Here, look for the option called Use Graphics Processor. If it's enabled, uncheck it temporarily and restart Photoshop. This is one of the most common fixes for unknown errors because some systems don't handle GPU acceleration properly. If Photoshop opens normally after disabling it, then the issue is likely tied to your graphics hardware or driver settings. Another thing to check is your scratch disks. Photoshop uses scratch space when your RAM fills up, and if that drive is full, disconnected, or slow, you can get strange errors. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then Scratch Disks, and make sure you have a drive selected with plenty of free space. If your main disk is nearly full, clear some space or choose a different drive. Now, if the error happens with a very large image or a complex project, try resizing the image. Huge files can trigger memory issues or export failures, especially on lower spec systems. You can go to Image, then Image Size, and reduce the dimensions slightly to see if that allows Photoshop to process the file properly. If you're working with text layers or editable objects, another useful fix is to rasterize the layer. Sometimes Photoshop struggles with certain fonts, effects, or layer structures, and converting the text layer into pixels can bypass the unknown error. Just right-click the layer and choose Rasterize type. But only do this if you're okay with losing editability on that text. If none of those steps work, check Photoshop's compatibility and system requirements in the help section. This is important because some versions of Photoshop need a supported operating system, enough RAM, and a compatible GPU. If your setup falls below the requirements, you may keep seeing errors no matter what settings you change. Also, if the error appears only when opening one specific file, that file itself may be damaged. Try opening a different project to see if Photoshop works normally. If it does, the problem is probably with that file rather than the app. At that point, you can try resaving the file, opening a backup, or importing parts of it into a new document. So to quickly recap, update your graphics drivers, disable Use Graphics Processor, clear or change your scratch disk, resize very large images, rasterize problem layers, and check compatibility in the Help section. One of these steps usually fixes the unknown error right away. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.